Hello and welcome to this video presentation brought to you by the Vegan Soul Food Market and veganmealdeliveryservices.com. These videos are overviews of the most popular vegan meal delivery services in the United States. Eating plant-based meals are easier when prepared for you, and it increases the chance you get proper nutrition. We encourage everyone who has tried any of these featured services to leave a text or video to help others decide what service fits their needs or if they should find recipes and cookbooks to make their own meals. Be sure to subscribe, not only to see more of these videos, but to see other related topics and support the move to a healthier community. Let us begin. 22 Days Nutrition offers an online meal planner that helps you prepare more healthy, plant-based meals at home. The meal planner is available online as a web-based app, which you can access from a computer, smartphone, or tablet. When you sign up, you can input your allergies and dislikes, cooking level, time restraints, health goals, household size, and available kitchen equipment. You can also choose from 4 meal plans, including the family plan, which is designed to improve your health and nourish your body. The 22-Day Revolution includes a variety of soy and gluten-free recipes. Performance Fuel provides plant-based recipes to fuel your workouts. Beyoncé's Kitchen includes access to the plan that Beyoncé used to get in shape for Coachella. You can customize your meal plan by selecting your favorite recipes to build your own menu. The service also offers a smart grocery list feature, which you can use to either simplify your grocery shopping trips or order grocery delivery using a third-party app. Pros includes access to more than 1,000 healthy, plant-based recipes. Takes multiple factors into account to create a customized plan based on your needs. Could help improve diet quality, enhance health, and increase weight loss. Cons: not a direct meal delivery service. Offers a smart shopping list feature and connects with third-party apps for optional grocery delivery. Limited options available for certain dietary patterns, including ketogenic and paleo diets. May not be ideal for those on a tight budget. 22 Days Nutrition sells protein powders and other plant-based health food products. It was launched in 2009. Exercise physiologist and New York Times best-selling author Marco Borges is its founder and chief executive officer. The company claims to help people find plant-based solutions for improving their health and that of the planet. 22 Days Nutrition blew up in popularity when R&B queen Beyoncé publicly talked about using the service. She and hip-hop mogul Jay-Z partnered with the company to launch its vegan meal planning app. The website says the company's name is 22 Days Nutrition because it takes a person an average of 21 days to make or break a habit. Therefore, in theory, on the 22nd day, a person should have developed the new habit, in this case, eating a healthy plant-based diet. The recipes offered by 22 Days Nutrition are an absolute delight. They are a perfect example of how the vegan diet can be delicious, healthy, and rewarding at the same time. When it comes to delivery areas, 22 Days Nutrition delivers anywhere in the continental United States. As with many similar delivery services, Alaska and Hawaii are not covered. With 22 Days Nutrition, you can change your delivery address whenever needed. This way, you can have your protein bars and powders delivered even when you are on a vacation. You just need to change the address 10 days before the delivery date. Thank you for watching this episode of Vegan Meal Delivery Services by the Vegan Soul Food Market. If you try 22 Days Nutrition or you have already, please leave a review. Good, bad, or indifferent. Also, please like and share on social media if you support a healthier lifestyle for our communities. As we walk this path, we are open to ideas on how to make this better, so feel free to comment or send us a message. We wish you wholeness, peace, and much joy.